Ghana, no, we didn't have to get to this place, okay? We didn't have to get here. Now, Obi Biabeka say there is no culture of silence. Ghana say answer no. Sani panu oye. You see a trophy and I say trophy, whatever the word is. The person is a liar because they say we all see it all across. More evident. Now, yeah, mommy, and I say yes, sister, your friend no, it's still possible. I thought they be oka say me say Obi bia when you 70 years plus biano. Sani panu adani busu. It's still possible. And the obi to say J. Kufuomo, Nana Kufuadomo, who are growing very old and they are still strong now. You must watch how you speak to them. You must watch the kind of things you tell them. Now the reason I'm saying this, then say, as Akufuado ninya kumpono, onye titi nyakupo ayenem ne say uye na dia or the ebeche kakra. Most of the time, no, nananum, that's why we like going to the nananum because voter for say. Who that there, yeah, fan komanya coupon. Konya coupon the slow but sure. But the corner nananum no gopo, and I say baby AY free year north town honum na. Yeah, the call within some a week, actually a week. Yeah, who result no. And by this time around, yeah, Mr. Akufo-Addo so oh yeah, Christoni. Na I say nyakupon ni latest update about there on che hunkra. Na in 2022, okay, history 2022. Now, after reading this to you, you realize, say, John Mahama, your president, or your prophet. And you come understand why Omar Babaimunu after the prophets no see we say because it is a prophet that has come to power. Yeah, John Mahama is a prophet, and you are going to get to realize it very, very soon. February. Ewa afibiamu eye odo mantenyesa. Say more boys ni girls no. Say February and I say more worry no. February eye love. Enyesa. Is it 14 February? Yes sir. Vows Day. Good. 3 days to Vows Day. Ewa 2022 mu. Aye 11th February 2022. The former president and our president CC, John Dramani Mahama, aka all the aliases no. Ochro letter be the Sandy Akufo-Addo. Yeah. Now letter all the Sandy Akufo-Addo no. Ochro letter no. One find 2 envelope more. Or they call 2 social media no so that everybody can read it and see say no John Dramani Mahama. These are his views about the person of Akufo-Addo, the leadership and the presidency of Akufo-Addo. Now, I mean, the social media there will when you write it and even delete it, we'll find our own way of looking for it and bringing it forward. So before I go into whatever is happening now, I want us to read the prophecy of John Mahama, 11th of February 2022. What you go social media so about culture of silence. Let us know it reads, Dear Nana Akufo-Addo, I am appalled at the growing criminalization of speech and journalism in Ghana under your watch in this 21st century. And introduction no when Chianu say oh me nua Akufo-Addo and me bra penny on want to send then a course debut. Onya Chianu say dear President Akufo-Addo na and or start is or two jano. Or say I am appalled at the growing criminalization of speech. You see criminalization of speech I just say ukasa biano government na ewo hono. You must take your speech and find something wrong with it. Now or the Marano using it against you. And journalism in Ghana under your watch in this 21st century, which means John Mahama has agreed to say you were 21st century. Now this 21st century in the slavery ni hobium. Enti obi bia or sorry bia asema I wanna dream. Yentimi dream pe. Right? Whatever you think about something, you are allowed to come and speak it out. That's 21st century. He goes on says, an investigative journalist was murdered under very troubling circumstances. Yet, while the Ghanaian people and the international community have demanded justice, government's inability or unwillingness to act is obvious to all. The police has virtually shelved the investigations into this brutal murder. Now, these are the words of John Mahama 2022. Say, Adebia Eko Subiano, police for anka say omo asemba ombe impartial to investigate the issues. No, some police for no, they are not interested in investigating anything any other thing. This will sound a bell to you. Esan say after the 6th August disaster, helicopter Z9 Eko enya sa akwensiano. A lot of people have come out to speak. Guy be a friend Samiba Ike or something like that. I have a recording of that Samiba no. Now Oka will recording them say plane na Iko crash no. Ono Samiba on him say enya weather no. Ena enya a friend saying pilots no na munye experience. Na obi ne two bomb a blasty plane no wiem. Yes.
Really?
This is what I tell you before God and man. Sana Samiba kai. And the oka sasem no nyina no. Na me wase na me recording no. And when I heard say they arrested our brothers AYmu our brother Fanti Comedy mu and our sister AYmu no. And as that video me so me record of Samiba no. Me ko post it on Facebook so. And I tag Ghana police. I brand here where your friend Samiba no. I say our more information about plane crash we eseni obia. And the ebeya musu munko soni muna munko bisano. Say weni unya same way free. I can tell you say up to today, and this has been over I think a week going to 2 weeks. Up to Nene, I've not heard say Ghana police has invited even Samiba say how he managed to know say a helicopter no a bomb been a shame man so been a 2 misa na a bo helicopter no of him. They are not interested. And if in 2022 John Mahama was talking about the fact say or no believe he said police no they are not interested in investigating things any longer. And another John Mahama believe he say police no I say a independent body is not doing something right. It is because the president then Akufo-Addo has said they should not do anything about it. Then today we can infer from that letter say since the police service of Ghana after I've brought that video to them about Samiba have not called Samiba to ask him anything. It means that John Mahama the president is the one who has asked the police not to do take any action by the letter of John Mahama himself, by his own prophecy in 2022. Again, he goes ahead. Third paragraph. No, maybe a letter available. I can share it to anybody who wants it. Now, it said there have been several disturbing incidents of harassment of journalists in the line of duty. We have witnessed media establishments closed down on your instructions, despite many appeals to you. The third paragraph of John Mahama letter. Or see, there has been instances of journalists omu harassment. Yɛka harassment say ebia obi me journalist bia so so bob or the some board journalist be ninsu. I say obi recording e bisan say na record there. And yes sir. John Mahama 2021 ka asem no. Let's ask ourselves 8 months of John Mahama. Have we seen these things happen? Yes. Journalists be good. Journalists be join news. A shinasu from the back. I'm so say by now cry no nasu baku on tia sem papa wom. They say cry who microphone no join on person journalism ni bio. And yes sir. John Mahama is saying say Akufo-Addo has ordered for the closure of some radio stations. Na enye no crew. So does it mean say and then they are chasing one to me radio FM movement and the others who come off